Starting with excretion in representative animals. Number one, excretion in Hydra. Hydra, an cnidarian, does not have specialized excretory structures. In its waste products simply diffuse into the isosmotic surroundings. Excretion in planaria. Planaria in the animals of the group of flatworms has simple tubular excretory system called protonephridium. A protonephridium is a network of closed tubules without internal openings. Tubular system is spread throughout the body and branches are capped by a cellular setup termed as flame cell. Each flame cell has a tuft of cilia whose beating propels interstitial fluid into the tubular system. The beating of cilia looks like a flickering flame, therefore these cells are termed as flame cells. The tubular system is drained into excretory ducts which open to the exterior through several nephridiophores. Freshwater flatworms excrete very dilute urine. The parasitic flatworms, which are isotonic to the host environment, mainly function in disposing nitrogenous wastes. Excretion in the earthworm. Earthworm is being an ideal example of another type of tubular excretory system called as metanephridium. Each segment of earthworm has a pair of metanephridium. This system has an internal ciliated opening, the nephrostome, immersed in coelomic fluid and enveloped by a network of capillaries. Nephrostome collects coelomic fluid. As fluid moves along the tubule, epithelium reabsorbs salt from the lumen and sends to blood vessels surrounding the nephridium. The leftover appears as urine containing nitrogenous waste. Excretion in cockroach. The terrestrial arthropods, particularly in the insects, the excretory structures are adapted to collect excretory products from the hemolymph in sinuses through suspended tubular structures called the Malpighian tubes. These Malpighian tubes remove nitrogenous waste from the hemolymph. These are the only excretory structures in the animal kingdom that are associated with the digestive tract. The epithelial lining of the tubules transports solutes including salts and nitrogenous waste from hemolymph into tubules lumen. Fluid then passes to hindgut into the rectum. Rectum reabsorbs most of the salts and water, thus the nitrogenous waste are excreted as solid excreta in the form of uric acid crystals along the feces. This kind of adaptations in excretion is the success of these animals on land with acute shortage of water. Insects are the only group of animals which eliminate excretory waste with feces. In all other animals, there is no structure and functional relationship between nutritive and excretory systems.